All right, you guys, this is the CRICUT Maker. It looks a lot like the other CRICUT machines, but what is phenomenal about this, it's called the CRICUT Maker, and it's the ultimate smart cutting machine. So I'm a quilter and a sewist. I really quilt a lot, but what's phenomenal about this is it cuts fabric. And on the top here, you can see, I cannot wait to touch it, is the Rotary Blade. And there is actually a Rotary Blade. There is a fine point blade, a Rotary Blade, a knife blade. There's a fine point pen, a fabric marking pen. You guys, can you imagine a fabric marking pen that we can pre-mark our things before we sew them? A calligraphy pen and a scoring stylus. So let's go ahead and just open it up because this is beyond amazing. And I just don't even know what to think. Look at the fabric on the box, you guys. Look, there's burlap, there's leather, there's linen. That looks like a satin. That looks like a silk. Oh my goodness, for all of us fabric lovers, this is a dream come true. So I'm gonna keep opening it. Oh, on here, it's got like another text on top of this, and it says chipboard, glitter, flocked paper, double cloth, double knit, dry erase, vinyl. Oh my gosh, Dupont silk. It just has all these words of everything that it can do. Plush craft foam. I mean, this is phenomenal. Okay, so I'm gonna keep opening this, and here's what it says. It says, let's get started. So I'm ready to get started too. I don't know about you guys. If I were you, I would order one of these right away because they actually have a limited quantity that they made on this, and there will be more, but if you want to get your hands on one of these, I would order it right away, just so you know. So in the Let's Get Started package, which I don't know if we want to do this, but let's just look at it because I'm hoping, wow, that looks really nice. This is a pretty big deal. Materials for your first project. Oh my holy goodness. Look at that. It's a little tiny Rotary Blade. I can't imagine this. I mean, do you know how precise that we can have a machine cut our fabric and how tedious it is? And sometimes we make a little 6-inch block with 36 different pieces. I mean, this can just do it all by itself. We just tell the machine to do it. So this is phenomenal. Holy moly, that's what I am so excited to see was this Rotary Blade. Here's a cord, here's some pens, but let's take a look at the machine. Okay. All right, I'm gonna pull the machine out. Oh, it comes out like that, and this comes out like that, and here is the machine. Wow. And it is nice and strong and heavy. It's not light or flimsy. This is a machine that is strong enough to really handle what it needs to do. And so, I mean, it's definitely has everything in here. All right, I'm gonna pull the machine out. Oh, it comes out like that, and this comes out like that, and here is the machine. Wow. And it is nice and strong and heavy. It's not light or flimsy. This is a machine that is strong enough to really handle what it needs to do. And so, I mean, it's definitely has everything in here. It can cut wood. It can cut. This is like phenomenal. And look at how beautiful it is. It's got like this rose gold finish on here. They really wanted to design it so that we just felt like we were incredible. I cannot believe I'm popping the plastic on this thing. And I can't wait to do my first cut. And I don't even know what I'm gonna cut first. I think I do, but, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness gracious. So let's go ahead and take this off. And this box is so pretty. But supposedly all you do is you open it up and it just goes like that. There's some foam in here. Let's go ahead and take that out. It's got the standard blade in there, and I will be inserting my rotary blade, which is right here. So I'm going to be taking out that standard blade, which all you do is you flip it like this, open it up, and I'll show you how easy it is to switch it from blade to blade. Okay, and I guess I'll put this blade back because we don't want to ruin anything, right? Look at that tiny rotary. Can you see it? I'll show you more of it. This is phenomenal. So now we're gonna just put this in here. And what happens is it's got this grooving system all around here. So this machine will constantly be rolling and swerving around as it's rolling and cutting. So these gears up here, the machine will tell it how to put that in. Hold on, I wonder if there's something, I don't have it at the right height. Okay, maybe I should get out my manual. Hold on. Oh wait, I think I have to turn it around so the gears, okay, there we go. The gears are hooking into that. There we go. Okay, and I did that from upside down. Okay, you guys, I am gonna let you guys know as soon as I cut something with this. It's pretty incredible. All right, we'll talk to you soon.